So you know your business would benefit from a sales video or a lead capture video, but what style of video best suits your business? Hi, I'm Dave with salesvideos.com. I've been producing professional sales videos since the late 1990s, and I'm creating this series of videos to help you better understand the video creation process and help guide you along the way. So as far as professional sales videos or lead capture videos, there's several different styles to consider. And a good video might end up being one of these styles or a combination of these styles or even all of these styles put together. So I'm going to go through those, break them down for you right now. So number one is a live action. And live action is basically footage that you would have of your business, your products, your staff. It might be considered B-roll in your production, but nonetheless, live action is a style of video that you may want to incorporate. If you are going to use live action video, make sure to use the best quality camera possible for recording the footage. If you don't have a great camera, even a smartphone may be able to do the job. I mean, some of the latest smartphones take absolutely fantastic video quality. Pay attention to lighting. Natural lighting is best. Ensure any necessary audio is recorded at good quality as well. Really can't stress the importance of good quality audio. If your live action video is just footage, no audio required, then obviously you don't have to worry about the microphone. But if you're interviewing somebody on your staff or somebody's discussing a particular product or a system, you'll want to make sure that there's a good microphone associated with that. Again, smartphones like this one I'm using right now to record this video tend to take good quality audio, but you do have to be relatively close to the camera. If your subject is not going to be close to the camera, you're going to need to explore some lavalier microphone options. And I have recently decided to purchase a good quality lav microphone at a very reasonable price. I'm going to link that up in the description of this video. Keep in mind that is an Amazon affiliate link, so if you do purchase, I do receive a small kickback from that. Thank you in advance. So again, close up to the subject, smartphone might work just fine for both video and audio. Farther away from the subject, you definitely want to explore a good quality microphone. Animation. So there's different types of animation that you may want to incorporate into your video. Animation is great for explaining complex ideas in a simple and engaging way. If you have a need to show an illustration, a flow process, or simulation of how a product or system works, animation is essential. So there's many different types of animation. The only one I would recommend avoiding are these low quality whiteboard or hand sketch style. They tend to portray a cheap look to the video, even if you're incorporating that as just a portion of the video. And the market was oversaturated with that style a number of years ago, so you'll want to avoid that. Screencast is another style of video that you may want to incorporate. So this is great if you're looking to do a software demo or tutorial. These are typically recorded using software like Camtasia for PC or ScreenFlow for Mac. The screen is recorded and then some additional effects can be implemented that way on top of it. But these are great if you need to demonstrate a particular product, software, or even, a tour of your website or something like that. And finally, motion graphics. So motion graphics, when done correctly, results in a smooth, fluid, professional look and feel for your video. This vital style is usually the base of any quality production. However, some productions may also require a combination of live action, animation, and screencast as well. But generally, the motion graphics is the style used as the base of the production. It'll typically start off with some nice motion graphics, and then maybe incorporate the other styles throughout the video, and then end again on the motion graphics. That's something that I've prided myself with sort of perfecting over the last few decades. So if you're interested in that, definitely shoot me a question. I'd be happy to answer. Okay, so you've realized the style of production that you want to incorporate into your video, or the styles, and now you need to plan for the production. So what you want to start off doing is you want to set a realistic budget. And the way that you do that is you work with someone like myself who has experience putting these video productions together, and I can help give you an idea of a budget that will work for you. You may want to hire a professional team, hint, that's where I can come in. And next, you're going to want to schedule script writing and any necessary B-roll filming. So pro tip, this is where you'll want to trust your production team's expertise. They'll help you avoid any common pitfalls and ensure a polished final product. So I'll just end on this. All of these tips and more can be found in my free downloadable PDF, The Ultimate Guide to Planning a High Impact Sales Video. So all you need to do is like this video, subscribe to this channel, and post a comment asking for the PDF, and I will send you a download link. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. And until next time, I'll see you on the next one.